So for this one, it says which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So basically, we're just going to have to add this up and see what we get. So the first thing that I notice is that I have this negative sign. Now, really, you should think in terms of like multiplying that by -1. So what does that mean? Well, the first part here stays the same. In other words, I got x squared times the quantity y minus 3y squared plus 5xy squared. Then I'm going to take, in other words, the first parentheses, the first set of parentheses, I don't really do anything. But now I'm going to multiply everything by a -1. When you multiply something by a -1, basically it just changes the sign, right? So this was negative x squared y. Now it becomes a positive x squared y. Multiply this by -1, and it goes from a positive 3xy squared to a negative 3xy squared. And then lastly, -1 times -3y squared becomes a positive 3y squared. So the next thing I'm going to do is combine like terms. So I have an x squared y, and I look over here and I have another x squared y. Now you got to look at all the terms to see, what you have and what you don't have. This is like 1x squared y, and this is 1x squared y. 1 plus 1 is 2, so I've got 2x squared y. Immediately, this doesn't work, this doesn't work. Okay? It's between C and D, but we're going to finish the problem. Whoops, what did I do? So let's keep moving on. The next thing I'm going to look at, and I'm just going in order, it doesn't matter. I have a negative 3y squared and a positive 3y squared. Okay? What's that? 0, right? If I have 3y squareds in my hand and I take 3 away, I have 0. So those cancel out. And then the last term I have to work with is x to the first power, right? We don't write it down, but it's there, x to the first power. So positive 5x to the first power y squared. And then I also have over here another x to the first power y squared with a coefficient of 3. What's 5 minus 3? Positive 2. So that becomes 2xy squared. So this one doesn't work. And so I end up with C as the correct answer. Any questions on that one?